All right, let's look at the homework 2.6, problem number 1. All right, so let's find the second derivative of this given function g of t. All right, so first thing I would do is I don't like having a t on the denominator, so I'm going to pull out the first 3 over 4, because that's just going to be a number, right? All right, then I'm going to put t upstairs, but I have to turn it into a power as a -5 power, right? So we got that, right? So this is the same function, right? All right, so once you got that, then we just have to take the derivative using power rule, all right? So here we have 3 over 4 is just going to be a number there, so I just put it there. Right? Oops, sorry. I'm going to just make it a little bit bigger so we can see it better. All right, let's do it like this. How about that? All right, so it looks better. All right, then we put, so power rule, derivative of x to the -5 would be, -5 would be, all right? So we're going to put the -5 in front, and then we're going to put t, raise it to the -5 minus 1 would be -6. So you're going to end up getting that, right? So I'm going to go ahead and multiply it out. So you're going to have, let's see, so it's going to be a negative sign, right? So that's for sure. And 3 times 5 is 15. So we're going to put the 15 on the numerator, right? Then we're going to put, there's a 4 there on the denominator. We put that. Then you have t to the 6, -6 power. So t to the -6 power. All right, so we have that. All right, let's take another derivative. So we leave negative 15 over 4 right there. All right, so we got that. And then derivative of x to the -6 would be, right, put -6 in front, then you subtract 1 from the power, right? So we get that. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and cancel 6 and a 4, so it's going to get, let's say 4 becomes 2, and 6 becomes 3, right? So we can do that. Then I'm going to multiply -3 and the -15. So that's going to be positive 45. So it's going to be a fraction. 45 is going to be on top, right? This is going to be actually positive 45. And then we have to divide by 2, right? So that takes care of this guy. All right, then you have a t to the -7th power, so then we can put the t on the bottom since it's a negative power. Then we're going to turn it into the 7th power. So just putting on the bottom takes care of the negative power and put the t to the 7th power on the bottom. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so we got 45 over 2 t to the 7th power. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.